Hey, it's Lo Fellow Nose, and for the past couple of weeks I've been putting the Eureka J20 through its paces. And believe me when I say that, because we're a family of 8 and floors get dirty fast. Now, the Eureka does mopping and vacuuming separately or simultaneously, picking up dust and cleaning floors that I haven't seen done this well in a very long time. Now, I know, that's a pretty big claim. So what qualifies the J20 of that claim? Well, to start, let's talk about its roll renew mopping system. The J20 utilizes a dual tank system where the mop is constantly being washed as it cycles through your house, removing the dirty water and giving you fresh water. This is honestly a brilliant design. And because of the design of the mop, with its 17N strong downward pressure and built-in mop scraper, you get more pressure on the floors for a better clean. So it's not just rinsing over, but rinsing, pressing, and removing dirty water for a better clean, and then giving you new water for an even better clean. All right, take a look here. Other brands can have spinning dual mops, which can clean, but it falls short of a deep clean that the J20 gives. Plus, because of the shape of the mop, other brands may leave circle marks where the J20 leaves nothing. Here's an example. I've got some ketchup here on the floor, and watch how the J20 does compared to the other brand. Nice, right? Now let's talk about vacuuming. You get a powerful 8,000 PA suction for picking up debris. On top of that, when it goes over carpet, the suction boosts even more to make sure it's picking up the dust, hair, and other debris that may be in the carpet, but also other surfaces as well. So if you got dirt tracked in from the outside, or crushed cereal that the kids stepped on and don't pick up, or rice under the table, which is such a common thing in this house, I'm telling you, the J20 has got that easily. In a house of 8, you need this. Now, you may be asking yourself, Lo, why does it only have one brush? I mean, doesn't 2 brushes give you a better clean? And you know what? I'm with you. I thought the same thing, but it turns out 2 brushes, while it still cleans, it ends up scattering more debris compared to a single brush system. While Eureka recognizes that a 1-brush system may not be as efficient as a 2-brush system, they made up for that by creating a funneling system with 1 brush and 2 squeegees at the bottom of the unit. So instead of having 2 brushes scattering debris, you now have a streamlined process backed up by that 8,000 PA suction. All right, let's bring these 2 worlds of mopping and vacuuming together. The J20 comes with 2 mops for comprehensive and considerate cleaning. If you have no carpets or want to focus on pure mopping, stick with the primary mopping attachment. But if you want to move between hard floor and carpet, well then switch to the automatic mop flip attachment, which moves from a mop surface to a non-wet surface, so it can focus on vacuuming the carpet without getting it wet. And if that wasn't enough, if you wanted total control, you get 4 speeds of suction when it comes to your J20. I'm telling you, it seems like dirt can't hide when it comes to the J20. Okay, so now we can see that the Eureka J20 can present itself as quite of a beast of a robot vacuum. But is this beast intelligent? Is it just going to bully its way over everything, getting tangled on power cords and other objects? The answer is nope. Check this out. I made a maze. Watch how the J20, with its advanced AI, dual view structured light, and intelligent obstacle circumvention, I know, fancy buzzwords, right? Navigates itself through the obstacle while still cleaning. And you can do this at night as well. Now, while it still has bumpers on it to make sure it knows what it's doing and where it's going, the J20 is not going to be headbutting itself like a crash dummy all over your house. Of course, that leads us to the Eureka J20 mapping abilities. I got some more buzzwords for you. With its LiDar navigation, LDS sensors, you get fast, detailed mapping and efficient path planning. Yeah, I know, but the gist of it, you do get a fast and accurate map for your home. Although I will say this, and I'm speaking from experience. When mapping, if you have sliding glass doors, make sure they're covered because the LiDAR will see through the doors and see the yard as part of the map. While it doesn't affect the robot at all, the map may not look as clean as you would like on the app. So at this point you might be thinking, Lo, I get it. It does a good job cleaning, but where is all that dirt and dirty water going? Well, I'm glad you asked. The J20 provides a hassle-free cleaning experience. The base station automatically washes the mop after use, then hot air dries the mop, and then adds clean water with cleaner detergent when it's ready for the next run. Now, this isn't just some fan that blows on the mop pad so it could air dry. It actually rotates the mop in both directions, squeezing out the dirty water, then hot air drying it so it can extend the life of your mopping pad. I mean, it's awesome. The base station also empties the dust box in the J20, and because of its fresh air circulation, any kind of odor is eliminated. That is huge because the last thing we want is a stinky mop. All right, so automatic cleaning, 75-day dust collection, the J20 is the all-around base station to free you up. Now that you know what it does, let's talk briefly about setting it up when you get yours and using the app. Find a spot for Eureka J20. Download the app, connect to your network, and then send the J20 to map out your place. It'll do the best of its abilities to identify and separate rooms, but if you like, through the app, you can separate rooms and label them. Choose where to clean and how to clean. Pick individual rooms, zones, or the full house. Create virtual walls and also no-go zones. All right, my final thoughts. The Eureka J20 stands as a serious competitor when it comes to a robot capable of mopping and vacuuming. Obstacle avoidance, a strong 8,000 PA suction, the ability for the mop to adapt for hard floors or carpet, and an all-in-one base station that keeps your hands free. If I had to offer an improvement, it would actually have to be the app. I mean, the hardware is there, that's for sure. But the app, well, for now, it can be a bit slow and laggy at times. If they could optimize the app with updates, which I'm sure they will, I'm telling you, you're in for a serious treat with the Eureka J20. All right, really hope this video helped you out. Take care, enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own Eureka J20. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you next one. Take care, bye.